How to reactivate your TikTok account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and then tap on the profile option if you don't see the login button there. Further, tap on the login option you see there and you will then be led to the login interface. So here, tap on the use phone or email or username option you see there. Further, go ahead and enter your phone number or your email or username of the account that you want to reactivate. Once entered, tap on the continue button and you will further be prompted to enter your password. So go ahead and enter your password and then tap on the continue button. Now, if it has not been 30 days plus for your account deactivation, then you will be able to reactivate your account, as after 30 days of deactivation, your account normally deletes itself. So if you get the reactivate account option, then tap on the reactivate button you see there, and with this, your account will be reactivated. So this is how you can reactivate your TikTok account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.